Okay, so I've been challenged to do a video every day, which is a little scary if I'm honest. However, I'm going to see if I can rise to this challenge, and so I thought that I would talk about how you can get how you can launch an online course. And I'm going to just do my plan is just to do 5-minute snippets, no more really, kind of each day. So I'll just give a little nugget away each day. That's all and then just share exactly what you have to do to successfully launch your online course. So if you'll bear with me, I'll try and do it like this on a kind of a one-to-one basis. But sometimes if I think that we need to share a screen, then I'll do it on the screen share. I will set up a brand new YouTube channel, so you can also follow me on YouTube. But this is the goal here now. I am going to share with you how just little 5-minute, no more, nuggets every day on the steps you need to take to successfully launch an online program or an online course. Okay, so the first step today, and the one step that people overlook time and time again, is, and it's the most boring step in the world, is actually figuring out who it is you're serving. And the reason I say that is because there is now so much data available on your avatar, on the people who are your ideal clients. So the question I would ask you is research. First of all, research as much data as you can as to who is your ideal client. Who is it that you are serving? And I'm not just talking about demographics. I'm not talking about just age, sex, domestic situation, all that kind of stuff. That helps, but I want you to kind of go one step deeper and really understand who their feelings, their emotions. What is it that's causing them to not sleep at night? What is it that's causing them the problem that they can't move on, that you're there to help them with? So what are they feeling? How do they feel? What are they thinking? What are they hearing in their market? Those kind of real touchy-feely questions are massively important. So step one, day one, figure out, spend a couple of hours, maybe more, as long as it takes, to research in detail and get as much data as you can on who you're targeting, because that is the key, one of the keys to this being successful. So that's all from me today. I will catch up with you again tomorrow for day 2. Speak then.